Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your blocked users in the Snapchat app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu. Then we go into settings in the top right corner. Then we scroll down and under account actions we find blocked users. And here we can check the list of users that we have blocked. We can unblock them if we want to, or we can just leave it like this. Either way, we can check the list of the blocked users here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.